everyone, my name is Atilda Mbrozi and I'm a member of Extremism and Radicalization online group here in Petro Nini Luarasi High School. And today it was the first day we gathered together and discussed about extremism online and radicalization, and we shared different ideas, and it was really a good experience. We firstly discussed about cultural diversity, which was the main topic, how we cannot misunderstand each other and we can have good cooperations together, how we could change the world together. And after that we discussed about internet. It was the main thing that we should focus on, and we said that it has influenced our life. We all are addicted to internet, and parents have to do something to not let their children free, but to control them as much as it's possible. And that was the main thing we discussed, and truly we shared different ideas. We have personal experiences in this and really had a great time. Thank you.